If you are watching this video, it means that you are quite advanced using Rust, either for backend or for full stack application using either Leptos or Deoxys. But at least you are quite advanced and you want to have observability inside your application. So either only for the backend or also maybe in the context of full stack application. So I will show you for my specific use case, so Rustify.rs. So this is using Leptos, so Rust for the backend and the front-end. And this is actually where I have my program with the bootcamp and also the coaching, okay? And inside here, I need, of course, observability, and I have an admin section. I will show you the admin, how it looks, and also the code just after, so we can also understand how it works with the code. So, if we go first inside the admin dashboard, so if we go inside admin, you know this one, sorry. So bug report, you can see that I have not that much bug reports now because I've cleaned the application well. I was also using LLMs to auto improve the application, so I will not go inside these details. I just want to show you the bug report how it works. But as you can see here, we have already all the information that we need to debug this. So we can see that we have one bug at the moment, promise rejection. So it's coming, so it was on desktop, not on mobile, but desktop, using Chrome, this version, and using this OS. Okay. And so cannot read properties of any fine reading node. So probably it's maybe coming from an extension or something. I will have to dig a little on this, but if we click, you can see that we have all the details here also, okay? And we have also the stack trace. Okay, so it's better. So actually the error is coming from actually Apex charts. So probably I've messed up something. So I will have to fix this, but as you can see, with the stack trace, it's very easy to actually debug this and improve the application. So I will not do this, I will not debug on this video. I just want to show you how the bug report works. But basically I have this. I have also different kind of, different types of errors. Okay, so I will show you also with the code just after, but it can be a bug, it can be from the server, it can be also WASM. Sometimes we have panic with WASM. It can be just a Leptos warning also. Browser warning, it can come from the database, also maybe an external API and so on, okay? So I have all these different types. And I have also a charts. So here we just have one, so that's good. Also I've created observability for the performances and so on. If you are interested, by the way, you can leave a comment and I will show you also in more details how it works for checking the performance, for checking also if you want all the migration that I have to check the time it takes, if it was a success or not, the checksum and everything. If you, the logs also, dead tuples, so yeah, probably you have quite a lot here, but anyway. Yeah, so I have a lot of observability stuff inside the application, and now I will show you with the code how it looks like. Just by the way, before, if you are still watching, you can. It means that you are probably interested in using Rust for maybe finding a job or for your own application. So you will see that I have a bootcamp, so either full stack bootcamp or blockchain bootcamp. I will have soon a backend bootcamp, only for backend. And I have also coaching. So if you are interested in the coaching, you can check also rustify.rs/coaching. You will find all the information that you need here. And also note that I am selective about the people I take. Okay, so I don't take everybody. I just take 4 or 5 people per month maximum, okay? And I'm selective, so this is why I have apply now, okay? So you just need to click on this, you have a form, you fill in the form, and then we can see if we can work together, okay? Anyway, so if we look at the code, so you will see that I have different domains inside the application, so you will see that I have domain, so here we are inside admin, okay, we are inside monitor, and here we are inside bug report db.rs, okay. And what I want to show you is a bug report. So for the bug report, what I have is a struct, and then I'm using this struct to implement some function to call the database directly. This is the pattern I'm using in general. And you will see that also I have a feature, SSR feature, because you remind I'm using Leptos, and with Leptos you can have server-side rendering. This is why I have this. And then I have the different functions that I want. Okay. I have also integration test, so I will show you that just after if you want, but now I want to show you first the bug reports. So I have the bug reports, so it has unit, bug type, similarity hash also, message, exception message, stack trace. This is how we knew it was from Apex chart actually, and everything. And if we look inside the bug report itself, so you will see that we have the bug report DB in here, and inside this bug report DB, this is where we have the different function. Okay, so we have a function to add a new bug report here. We have a function to get all with pagination. Okay, we have a function to get by unit, to delete all, and so on. So maybe I will show you first a simple one. So get all paginated, for instance. So you will see, so for this, we need, of course, the pool. Okay. We need the page, of course, the page size, and also the filter, because we have also some filter if we look inside here. So search and bug type. We want to either search a specific bug, or we want also to check by the bug type. The bug type, it can be either of this, as I've showed you earlier, so either bug, server, WASM, Leptos warning, and so on. Okay, so I've already showed you that just before. And if we look at how it's done, so the most important is to see that we have SQL call. Okay, so this is using raw SQL. So it means that you can have very good performances. And you'll see that I'm using query as. This allows you to have both raw SQL and type safety. And you see that I'm passing also this struct bug report with the different fields that I have here. And what is cool with SQLX is that we can make sure that what we have inside the SQL query match the struct that you have here and match also the migrations. So if we look at, so it can be bug reports SQL, something like this. So create bug report SQL. So we see that I've created a table, okay? So with all of this, the same fields with unit, bug type, similarity hash, message, stack trace, and so on. And then also some indexes. And what is cool is that we can make sure that the query I'm using in here matches this to make sure that it follows the table that we have created inside the database. So this is cool. And then, so yeah, I have also some other queries based on the filter. So this is not perfect. I will probably improve this, but anyway, at least you see a pattern. Okay. So we have this for get all paginated. Get by unit, it will be probably a little easier. So we pass the pool, of course. We pass also the unit because we want to get by unit. And then we will get results. Okay. Option bug report or SQLX error. And then as the other one, we have query as, we have the struct, and then we select. And then we just pass the unit also, of course. When you use SQLX, you'll see that we have a $1. This is the argument that you can pass. So this will be the first one, which is unit. If you want to pass more arguments, you can, and then you will have $2, $3, and so on. And then we want to fetch optional. Okay, we await because it's async, of course, and then we get by unit. So quite simple. Okay. Maybe I can show you this. So if we look inside here, Reports. So yeah, you will see that I've also created some tests to make sure that it's working well. And by the way, I think I will do this to see a little clearer. So you see that I've created also some tests to make sure that everything is good, and I'm also using SQLX for this to making sure that it matches well what I have in migrations. So it's very handy because you remind that what I've showed you inside here, this is coming from migrations, okay? Where you define the tables. And I have different tests, but at least I'm sure that everything is working as expected. So yeah, just simple patterns. So hopefully it's a little more clear for you how you can do this with Rust. And of course, I'm not diving too much in details. Of course, if you want to go more in details and understand this exactly for your use case to either create a project, whether it's backend or full stack, to get a job or whatever, you can remind I have a coaching, I have also a bootcamp, so either full stack bootcamp or blockchain bootcamp, okay? So you just go on rustify.rs/coaching or /full stack, bootcamp full stack, or what you want. And then you just need to also apply now to check if we can work together or not. You can also check the different stuff that we have also done. So that I have also done. So with Rustify, sorry, my connection is not good, my bad. But you can also check this. So you have all that is needed. So you have all the information. You can also send me a DM on LinkedIn if you want, Max Wells. And yeah, that's it. It was Max. Thanks for your attention, and see you next time.